ideas. Sharing of ideas, mas napabilis ang sharing of ideas, communication. Example, the computer, the email. Like, basta mabilis na ang lahat. Advancement efficiency of business, mas mababa ang cost. Ano, business? Business ad. Wireless transmission. Kaya pala, the advancement information linkage, mas napapadali siya kasi hindi mo na kailangan pumunta sa ibang bansa para makipag-communicate. You can use your computer, email, or other super init, like super talaga. Ang competitive advantage is like if the company alam ko, competitive advantage is the company pagkatapos ko mag-aral, magjojowa ako ng marami. The company who used to be the first and nauna makapagpagawa ng new product is have advantage in company competitors, advantage sa competitors. Because of computers, global na yung communication, means mas napapadali yung communication natin sa ibang bansa. Marami to actually. Bagsakan mo ako para pampagana. Malapit na mag-end yung math, hindi ko pa nahabol quota ko. Na-busy kasi ako this past week.